Hello everyone. This is the fourth part for grade 3 math learner book. In my previous parts, I taught you about some pages from math learner book grade 3. So let us continue in the fourth part. Let us start from page number 72 until 71 in the previous part. You can watch from there. Question number 1, use grade 3 math learner book. Use these fact to answer the question about elephants. An elephant trunk can hold about 4 liters of water. Elephant eat mainly grasses but also scrub and bark, pig leaves and fruit. They eat about 150 kg of vegetation a day. So this is important point, 150 kg. So an elephant can eat at least 150 kg per day and drinking 100 liters of water per day. They can live up to 70 years. They like to live with other elephant, other non-eat. The important point, an elephant trunk can hold 4 liters of water and eating 150 kg and drinking 100 kg. Okay, let us solve the questions. Calculate the total amount of water that four elephant could store in their trunk at any one time. We know that 4 liters of water an elephant can hold in its trunk. So there are how many elephants? There are 4 elephants. So 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 equal 16. So 16 liter of water at any one time in a day. 4 elephant can hold. How many times will an elephant fill their trunk in a day? How many times will an elephant fill their trunk in a day? You know, in one day, an elephant can drink 100 liters of water. So 100 divided by 4. Because in one day, 100 liters of water an elephant can drink. So it can hold how many times? So let us divide with 4. 100 divided by 4 equal 25. So 25. So you can say here 25 times. How much food would 4 elephants eat in a week? One elephant can eat in one day 150 kg. And how much food would 4 elephants eat in a week? So in a week, how many days? 7 days. Okay, there are how many elephants? 4 elephants. 4 elephants, and first of all we need to find about 4 elephants in one day. 150 multiplied by 4. If we are multiplying 150 with 4, 150 multiply with 4. 4 multiply 0, 0. 4 multiply 5, 20. 2 down, 0 down to a carry. 4 multiply 1, 4, 1 times 4 plus 2, 6, 600. This is for one day. 4 elephants can eat 600 kg of food. But we are talking about a week. In a week there are 7 days. So we need to multiply with 7. So 600 multiplied by 7. This 0 as it is. Come down. This one also. 7 multiply 0, 0. 7 multiply 0, 0. 7, 6 times 42. So 4,200. 4,200 kg or kilogram. So we write here 4,200 kg. I'm repeating, calculate the total amount of water that 4 elephants could store in their trunks at any one time. Obviously, an elephant can hold 4 liters of water in its trunk. So 4 elephants. So 4 elephants multiply 4 trunks, 16 liters. How many times will an elephant will fill their trunk in a day? In a day, an elephant can drink 100 liters of water. So we need to divide 100 liters with 4, because at one time elephant can hold 4 liters of water in its trunk. So 100 divided by 4 is coming 25 times. How much food would 4 elephants eat in a week? First of all, we need to find about one day. So 4 elephant can eat in one day 600 kg of food. So we need now after this for 7 days. So 600 multiplied by 7, 4,200 kilogram. And you can say 4 elephant can eat food in a week. How much would 6 elephant drink in a week? How much would 6 elephant can drink in a week? So let us do it. 6 elephant. How much 6 elephant can drink in a? So 6 elephant can drink. If you are talking about 6 elephant, so 1 elephant can drink 100 liter water in one day. So 6 elephant, obviously 600 liter of water in one day. But now we are talking about a week. So very easy, multiply by 7. So it is equal to, same like this, it's equal to 4,200 liter. 4,200 liter. So 6 elephant can drink in a week 4,200 liter of water. Next question, if one elephant lived for 70 years, how long would 2 elephants live? If one elephant lives for 70 years, how long would 2 elephants live? 2, 10, 5 elephants, the same time period, 70 years, because the time period not change. If the child is the father and he's living 70 years or 60 years, what do you think their child double? No, obviously not. Okay, their time period for living 70, 60, this is the range. So same like this elephant. If elephant live for 70 years, if there are 2 elephants, the lifetime not change, not making double. You cannot say there are 2 elephants, they can live 140 years, 150 years. You need to multiply with 2. If there are 5 elephants, the same. If there are 10 elephants, the same. It's written here, they like to live with, this one, they can live up to 70 years. They can live, all the elephants. Not at one, we are talking about any one elephant that can live until or up to 70 years. All the elephants, even 1, 10, 2, okay? So we write 70 years as it is. It's not making double. 70 years. Let us move to the next. Page number 73. There are 5 elephants in a zoo enclosure on Monday. How much did they eat and drink? There are how many elephants? 5 elephants. Okay, how much did they eat and drink? Talking about only one day. So it's easy for us. We know an elephant can eat 150 kg. 150 kg. So multiply with 5. 150 kg multiplied by 5. So we can get how much an elephant can eat. So 1 multiplied by 5 equal, it's coming 750. So you can say an elephant, 5 elephants, they can on Monday eat 750 kilogram. And what about the drunk? How much did they eat? Eaten 750 kg done, and drunk on Monday 5 elephant. So we need to multiply 100 multiply by 5. Why 100? Because one elephant can drink 100 liter in one day. So 100 multiplied by 5. Because there are 5 elephants, so 100 multiplied by 5, 500 liters. So 5 elephant can drink 500 liter of water in one day, or on Monday you can also say. Question F part B. There are 4 elephants in the enclosure on Tuesday. How much did they eat and drink? Same like the previous. In this question you're talking about 5. In the second part talking about 4. So 4 elephant, 4 multiplied by 150. It's coming, you're talking about eaten. Equal to 600 kg. And drunk about water. So there are 4 elephant, 400 multiplied 4 multiplied by 100, it's coming 400 liter. So 400 liters drink the drunk water and eaten 600 kg. On Tuesday, we are talking about Tuesday. Each day an elephant leaves the enclosure to explore a nearby pasture. The number of elephants decreases by 1 each day. Okay, when the enclosure is empty, how? When the enclosure is empty, how much have the elephant eaten and drunk since Monday? Since Monday. So let's start. So now we need to calculate for all these days when in the enclosure is empty. So obviously every day 1 elephant left for enclosure. So starting from Monday. On Monday, I just write in a table. It's better. On one side eaten. On the other side drunk. So on Monday, if you are talking about Monday, 750 kg, and on the next day or Tuesday you can say it's 600. Why 750? 5 elephant, 5 multiplied by 150, it's coming 750. Like this on the next day Tuesday, 4 elephant, so 4 multiplied by 150, it's coming 600. Like this if you go to the next, so we need to multiply 150 multiplied by 3, because every day 1 elephant gone, so it's coming 450. Like this next day, and the number of elephant 2, so we need to multiply by 150, multiply 2, it's coming 300, and then after this 150, and then gone. So it's starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the Friday last day, Friday the last elephant explore. You can say enclosure, leave the enclosure to explore the nearby pasture until Friday. So on what day will the enclosure be empty? So you can write here Saturday. Okay, for drinking on the first day, if there was 5 elephants, so 500 liters, then 400 liters, then 300 liters, then 200 liters, then 100 liters. Okay, it's written here when the enclosure is empty, how much have the elephant eaten and drunk since Monday. So we need to calculate all this. We need to add all this. So let's add 0 as it is coming down. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. write here 5 on a carry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22. 2250 eaten. Kg, you can also write here kg. And what about drinking? 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. 1500 liter. So 2200 kg eaten by the elephant until starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, until 5 days, and drinking how much water? 1500 liters. So this is the answer for the third part, and this is the answer for the fourth part. And the first part, 5 elephant, this is the answer. If we are talking about part 1, and if you are talking about the part 2, this is the answer for part 2. Next question. Question number 2. A baby elephant has been born at the zoo. Lots of people send him cards. A sack of cards weighed 3 kg without the sack. Each card weighed 20 grams. How many cards were in the sack? Very easy. 3 kg means 3000. 3000 divided by 20 grams. So let us do it. 3 kg, because it should be same, the unit. This kg, so this should be kg. If this is gram, this should be gram. So 3000 divided by 20. 3000 divided by 20. We take 1 from here, and also from 20 we take 1 0, or you can say we cut 1 0 with 1 0 because we are dividing. So now it's easy for us to divide. 2 multiply by 1 equal 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 equal 1. Bring 0 down. Okay, in the table of 2, 10 coming. Obviously 2 multiplied by 5 equal 10. Okay, and there is 0. Okay, so this is 0. We bring up. So 150 card. Here nothing left. And minus 10 0. So how many cards were in the sack? 150 cards. You can say 150 cards. A vet checks a baby elephant weight in August and September. Weight in August 105 kg. Weight in August 105 kg. 105 kg. Weight in September 223 kg. Okay. How much weight did the elephant gain? Minus it, 223 minus 223 minus 105. So it's coming 5 minus 3 minus 5, not possible. Take 1 from here. 13 minus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. It's coming 8. Here 1 remaining. 1 come down. And 1 come out. 180. So we write here how much weight did the elephant gain, baby elephant. So it to 118 kg. Okay, he doubled his weight for the next month. How much did his weight, or he weighed in October? He doubled his weight for the next month. We need to make double. We are not making double for 105. In September it's 223 kg. So when we are making double of 223 kg, it's coming 446 kg. It's double. He doubled his weight for the next month. So in October he has 446 kg weight. The next page. Here are different, we can say grocery store, different items. Flour in a pot, the cost $2.50. How many cents did Charlie put in each bag? Okay, flour in a pot, $2.50. Bag of sweets, 20 cents. A newspaper, 80 cents. Their cost: a pair of gloves, $5.60. A bunch of flour, $2. And a tin of beans, 30 cents. A loaf of bread, $1.20. So these are the information. Let us solve the question. You spent exactly $5. You spent exactly $5. We need this information also. You spent exactly $5. What did you buy? So if you want easiest answer, we can buy, yeah, this one. So because one flour in a pot, it's cost $2.50. If we are buying two flours in a pot, it's cost obviously $5, because 2.50 plus 2.5 equal 5. So it's we can write here, it's a 2 flour in a pot. 2 flour in a pot. This is the simplest. Also, you can also buy a lot of things. Okay, so if you want to spend exactly $5, for example, a bunch of flour, $2. After this, you can buy this one, flour in a pot, $2 plus $2, $4.50, and one bag of sweet and a tin of beans. So like this, you can also make $5 if you're buying each one item. These three and this one. So you can buy, you can completely exactly $5. It's also finished like this. But the simplest answer, 2 flour in a pot. If you're buying 2 flour in a pot, it's equal to $5. You give the shopkeeper $1 and get 20 cent change. What did you buy? $1 equal to $1. $1, if you're talking about $1, it's equal to 100 cent. So it's mean 100 cent and get 20 cent change. So you give the shopkeeper 100 cent and he give you back 20 cent. What did you buy? So 100 minus 20, 80 cent. So 80 cent you can buy a newspaper. So you can write here a newspaper. You buy 2 bunches of flour. What change do you get from $5? What change do you get from $5? I mean, you have $5 and you pay the shopkeeper $5 and you buy 2 bunches of flour. $2 plus $2, $4, and you paid the shopkeeper $5. It means $1 remaining. So the shopkeeper give you change $1 only. You buy a loaf of bread and a tin of beans. I want to erase. You buy a loaf of bread and a tin of beans. How much did you spend? A loaf of bread and a tin of beans. So loaf of bread, the price of loaf of bread $1.20. If you write here $1.20, and plus a tin of beans, 30 cents. So there are not dollar on the left side. We write 0 and 30 cents. So 20 plus 30, 50, $1.50. So we write here $1.50. How much did you spend? How much did you spend? $1.50. How much change do you have from $5? From $5, if we minus $1.50, it's coming $3.50. $3.50. It's the change. You have $10. You buy $10. I have. You buy 2 bunches of flour. 2 bunches of flour. A bunch of flour, $2. So 2 bunches of flour, $4. So 2 bunches of flowers and a pair of gloves. What's the price for the pair of gloves? $5.60. So 5 plus 4. So we will make it 4 because we buy 2 bunches of flour. So 0 as it is and 6 come down as it is. These are the cents. And 5 plus 4, 9. So $9.60. From $10, $9.60. We spend it $9.60. We write here $10 minus $9.60. For what $9.60? $5.60 for a pair of gloves and $4 for 2 bunches of flour. So 5 plus 4, $9.60. Like this, it's coming $9.60. How many bags of sweet can you buy? The bags of sweets price 20 cents. So the remaining we have $10 minus $9.50 is common 0.40. $0.40. We have only 40 cents remaining. And 1 bag of sweet, it's 20 cents. So we can buy 2 bags of sweet, obviously. Because we have at the end we have only 40 cents remaining, so we can buy only 2 bags of sweet. Let us move to the next part. Question number 6. You buy one of every item. How much did you spend? We need to add all these numbers, all these item price. $2.50, 20 cents, 30 cents, $1, 20, 80 cents, $5.60, and $2. We need to add all these numbers. So it's coming, if we are adding all these, it is coming $12.60. So we write here, we are adding all these, one item. If you buy one of every item, it's coming $12.60. How much change do you have from $20? So 20 minus $12.50. Just a minute, we do it. 20.00, 12.60. So when we're doing minus, it's coming 0 as it has come down. 0 minus not possible. We need to take 1 from here. And here remaining 9, 10 change to 9, and here 10. 10 minus 6, 4, and 9 minus 2, 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. So $7.40. How much change do you have from $20? $7.40. Which would you rather have? Why? 10 cents a week for 8 weeks, or 20 cents every 2 weeks for the same 8 weeks? For the same 8 weeks. 10 cents a week for 8 weeks. 10 cents a week for 8 weeks. So 10 cents if you're talking about for 8 weeks, it is coming 80. You're writing here 80. If you're talking about 8 weeks. Okay. And 20 cents if you're talking about 20 cents for every 2 weeks. So it's coming also 80 cent every 2 weeks. So it's also coming 8. Okay, so for the same 8 weeks, so it's coming also, so it is the same, it is the same. If we are talking about 20 cent every 2 weeks or 10 cent a week, so it's coming also. So we can write here it's the same, there is no anything, we can choose anyone, it is the same. Second part, 25, just I'm going to go down. The next part, 25 cent a week for 10 weeks. 25 cent a week for 10 weeks. So it's mean 250. 250, you can say $2.50. So we can write it here, $2.50. For 10 weeks, or 20 cent every 2 weeks for the same 10 week. For the same 10 week, if you're talking about 20 cent every 2 weeks, so 20 cent for every 2 weeks for the same 10 weeks. So it is, if you're counting, it's coming less than $2. 20 cent a week every 2 weeks, it's coming, I think, $1. $1. So can we write here $1? So if you're talking about 20 cent every 2 weeks, so 1 week you need to pay 25 cent, and for 2 weeks 20 cent. It's the same, you can say same 10 weeks. So 20 cent if you're talking about for 2 weeks. So in 10 weeks we need to pay 5 times. So 5, 20, it's mean 100 cent, or you can say $1. So we can write here $1. So it's $2.50 and this $1. So which one? $1.50 more, or you can say it's 25 per week more. Okay, if you're talking about per week, the 25 cent will give more. Okay, the third part, 20 cent a week for 20 weeks. 20 cent a week, 20 weeks. So it's coming 20 multiplied by 2400 cent, mean $4. So we write here $4, and this is for the first 20 cent a week for 20 weeks. 30 cent every other weeks, mean after 2 weeks equal to 30 cent. And there are 20 weeks, so 30 multiplied by 10. Why 10? Because after 2 weeks we need to pay. So 30 multiplied by 10, 300 cent equal to $3. So this one $4 and this one $3 for the same 20 weeks. So what do you think? $1 more, or you can say if you're talking about per week, so 20 more cent. 20% will give more. Here 25 cent will give more, and here the same. Question number 8. How much change does each customer get? Customer 1 pay 50 cent, the item cost 17 cent. How much change? So we need to minus, right? 15 cent up and 17 cent down. If it's written in dollar, then we need to put the point. Like this one, second one, customer 2 pay $1 and the item cost 58 cent. So 58 cent. So we need to write 58 cent under the cent, not under the dollar. So 50 minus 17, how much change remaining? 0 minus 7, not possible. Take 1 from 5, it's remaining 4. 10 minus 7, 3. And 4 minus 1, it's also equal 3. So 33, you can say change. 33 cents change. The second part, $1, the item costs 58 cents. So we need to minus from $1. Change $1 into cent. $1 equal to 100 cents. 100 minus 58, it's equal to 42 cents. Customer 3 pays $2. The item costs $1.28. From $2 we minus $1.28. So it's coming 2 minus 1, it's 0. So it's coming in cent, obviously 72 cents. Customer 4 pay $5. The item costs $3.45. The item costs $3.40. You give $2.65 change. Was that right? Obviously no, it's not right. So we need to minus. How much would should you have given? So $5 minus $5 minus 3.45. Need to minus it, so exactly we can find the answer. We are doing minus. We take 1 from here, it's 4, and here 9. Why? Because 0, we cannot carry 1 from this. So we will make first 10 it and then cut it and change it to 0. And we need 1 here actually. So 10 minus 5. 5, we write here 5. 9 minus 4 equal also 5. And 4 minus 3 equal 1. So we write here dot at is it 1. So $1.55. $1.55 should pay, not $2.65. It's wrong. You give $7. $89 change. Customer 5 gave you $10. How much was the item? 10 minus $7.85, 89 cents. So it's coming $2. Yeah, $2.11. The pizza. Let us move to the next part. Question number 9. The pizza store has 4 different pizzas. Pizza store has different pizzas. $2.86 tomato, $2.44 pepperoni, $3.60 and cheese, $3.20. Okay, first of all we need to make half. Because in the question mostly about half of tomato, we need to make half, the price half. These are the price for complete pizza. So let us make half. What is the half of $2.36? 36 half 18, and the dollar to half of 2 $1.18. After this tomato, if you're talking about tomato, $2.44. Very easy, as it is we need to write the half of 22, 44, 22, and the half of 2 is 1. Pepperoni $3.60. So we make half $3.60, and we are making half the 60 half 360. It's coming 18, 36, 18, and the 0 as it is come down. This is where I'm talking about 360. Put the point as it is. After this the cheese $3.20. $3.20. What is the half of 32? 32 half 16, right here 16, and then 0, and then we put the point. Now we got the half price for each pizza. Half a tomato and half a cheese pizza. How much will it cost? half tomato, $1.22, $1.22 plus, we are doing plus, and half cheese, $1.60. Now we make half, it's easy to calculate. If we are calculating, it's coming to, I just write the answer on the other side here. 2 plus 0 equals 2, and 2 plus 6 equals 8, and point as it is, and 1 plus 1, 2. So what's the cost? Half a tomato and half a cheese pizza. It's coming at $2.82. So we can put the dollar sign also. Okay, half a mushroom and half a pepperoni. How much will it cost? Half a mushroom, it's 1.18 plus half a pepperoni, 1.80. We need to plus add these two. So it is coming 0.8 plus 8, 16. Yeah, it's coming 2.98. Yeah, 0 plus 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and 1 plus 1, 1, 2. So you can write here $2.98. Parsi a whole cheese and a half a mushroom. How much will they cost? Whole cheese, we are checking. We need to take the whole cheese price, say $3.20, $3.20, and a half a mushroom, $1.18. So $3 plus $3.20 plus $1.18. We need to add these two numbers, so we will get the answer. 18 plus 20, it's 38. 3 plus 1, 4, $4.38. We need to write here $4.38. A tomato and a cheese pizza and half a tomato pizza. Let us start. A tomato pizza price $2.44 plus, if we are doing plus, cheese pizza. Where is the cheese pizza? Cheese pizza $3.20, not half, full price, plus half a tomato pizza. Where is tomato? $1.22. It's equal 2 plus 0 plus 4 equals 6. Then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Then point. These are cents. Now we are talking about dollar. One plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. $6.86. Price for these three pizzas. Let us move to the next page. At the zoo. Okay, the school bus has arrived at the zoo, and the children hold hands with one other child. They all have some money to spend, but they don't all have the same amount of money. Answer this question. Okay, Kiara has $7.75 and Ranjit has $4.50. How much money do they have to all together or together? So we need to write $7.75 plus $4.50. We can do plus like this: ones with ones, tens with tens, and hundred with hundred. Or we can also do up and down. So let us do up and down. So 5 plus 0, 5. As it is, we need to write 7 plus 5 equal 10, 11, 12. 1 up carry. Put the point here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. $12. So right here, $12. $0.25. So how much money do they have altogether? $12.25. $12.25. We need to write dollar sign. You can write it, or you can no need to write if you cannot write like this. Okay, after buying some oranges for $7, Gopal has $3.25 cent left. How much money did Gopal have to begin with? Again, we need to plus 7 plus 3, 10, $10.25. No need to calculate. $10.25. Every time I cannot write dollar, so this should be in your mind if we are doing the dollar calculation. So this left side dollar and the right side percent. After the point, $10.25. Ibrahim has $6.75 and Malik has $2.25. How much more? How much more we need to minus does Ibrahim have than Malik? So $6.75 minus $2.25. 5 minus 5, 0. And 2. 7 minus 5 equal 7 minus 2 equal 5. And 6 minus 2 equal 4. So $4.25. $4.50. $4.50. Let us move to the next question. Now, question number 4. Aisha has $6 and Nasreen, the actual word, has $3.50. How much more? Again, minus question. How much more does Aisha have than Nasreen? We need to do minus $6 minus $3.50 from 6 minus 3, 3. $52.50. So we need to write here $2.50. After buying some pencils for $6.01, Raj has $4 left. How much money did Raj have to begin with? Plus 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10 and 0.01. So we write here $10.01. After buying some peanuts for $4.35, Campton has $2 left. How much money did Campton have to begin with? Again, plus 34 as it is come down. There you can see 0, 0. So cent 34 as it is, and 4 plus 2, 6. 6 and 34 and $6.34. Manka has no money left. Larissa gives her $3.75 for a drink and some biscuits. Larissa started with $8. How much does she have left? How much does she have left? We need to minus. So let us do minus from $8. From $8, if we are doing minus $8 minus $8 minus $3.75. $3.75. So let us do minus. So it's coming 0 minus 5 not possible. We cannot take one also from here. So take it one from here. It's 7 remaining. Okay, 10 change into 9, and then here 10 minus 5, bring 5 down. 9 minus 7 2, and 7 minus 3 equals 4. So $4.25. $4.25. So how much does she have left? $4.25. Question number 8. At a zoo shop, 3 sweets are on special offer: a sparkle, a cherry, and a nibbler. Together cost 40 cents. A nibbler is over 3 times the price of a sparkle. Six sparklets are worth more than a cherry. A nibbler plus 2 sparklers cost less than a cherry. What is the price? What is the price of each sweet? We need to find the price for each sweet. So let us assume. We cannot say the actual. We need to find it one by one. The information we have here: a nibbler is over 3 times the price of sparkler. So can we write it like this? The first thing, sparkler plus chewy, we are mentioning as W, and nibbler N. It's equal to 40 cents. These three, a sparkler, chewy, and nibbler together cost 40. So we can write it as it. Now nibbler is over 3 times, so we can write it: nibbler is greater than 3 times. It's greater than, or is greater than sign. Three sparklets. Okay. The second information tell us 6 sparklets. We can write 6s is greater than chewy, and a nibbler plus 2. Nibbler plus 2 sparklers cost less than a chewy. Small than, less than cheap. Okay, this information we have. Now we can find the price. Okay, we can find it using the above information. 3 sparklers is less than nibbler price, and nibbler price is less than 4 sparklers. Less than nibbler 3, but more than 4. So nibbler price is greater than 3, but less than 4 sparkles. After this, if you're talking about the second, we are assuming, as we have the information, 5 sparkles. 5 sparkles is less than 5 sparkles less than chewy, but chewy is more than, but chewy is less than from 6 sparkles. So these information we get from here. 3s, n mean GV is bigger than 3s. So we write it 3s is bigger than, n is bigger than 3s, but less than 4s, 4 sparkles. Like this GV is less than 6s, or 6s is greater than 6 GV, but GV is greater than 5s. Okay, so the minimum of the sum S, W and N will be 9 sweet. So nearest, if we are doing all of these three, so we can say it is equal to 10. Okay, 10 sweets. So 10 sweet, the price for 10 sweets equal to 40. So if we are talking about one sweet, the price for one sweet, it's coming 40 divided by 10 equal 4. So S is equal to 4. S is equal to 4. Okay, now we are putting this S here with the place value of where we write here S. Okay, if you are putting here 3S, so 3 multiplied by 4, 12, and here also you can write here 4 multiplied by 4, 16, and same as it is, we are talking about 5s, 5 multiplied 4, 20, and W 5, 6 multiplied by 4, 20. So like this. Now we can write it. So these are the just possibilities. Okay, sparkler's price at the end we can find it 4s. From here 12 and 16, between this the nebular price. So and this is if we are saying 13 to 13, 14, 15, we have three options. So we can write it, the price for nebular is equal to 13, and after this cherry, the price for cherry is W here 20, 24. So we can assume 23, 22 or 21. So let's start going backward, 24, 23. So we can write it, cherry price or W is equal to 23, and the remaining out of 40 is the price for sparkles. So S is equal to 23 plus 13, 33, 36, and plus 4, 40. So the price for sparkle 40. So like this, the price for each sweets separately, it's here. Let us move to the next question. After this, the next liquid element. The bottle holds 1 liter of water. A milliliter is about 20 drops of water. So there are 100 milliliters in a liter. Obviously, so we can say 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Obviously, for big container, we are using liter. For small containers, we are using milliliters. For small containers, we are using milliliters. So this should be in our mind. We are solving about liter and milliliter question. Mr. Poplar had filled a bucket with water to clean his floor. Would his bucket hold 9 liters or 9 milliliter of water? We are talking about a bucket. so it's not possible. 9 milliliter, it's very little amount, some drops of water, so it's better we are choosing 9 liter of water. Would his bucket hold 9 liter or 9 milliliter? Obviously his bucket hold 9 liter of water. A cook add half a teaspoon of vanilla to her cake recipe. Did she use 2.5 liter or 2.5 milliliter of vanilla? 2.5 milliliter is the better option. Why? Because we are talking about a teaspoon. We cannot put 2.5 liter on a teaspoon. So 2.5 milliliter for small holders. Or for small container, you can also say Maria. Question number 3. Maria bought a cup of hot chocolate. Does her cup hold 400 liters? We are talking about a cup of hot chocolate. So we are talking about a cup of hot chocolate. A cup. So it cannot hold 400 liters. Does her cup hold 400 liters? Obviously not. 400 milliliter. For small containers, we are using milliliter. So 400 milliliter of hot chocolate is the better option. Andrea bought fruit juice for her friends, more than one, to drink at her birthday party. Would she buy 5 liter of juice or 5 milliliter? Obviously not 5 milliliter enough for her friends. So it is better 5 liter bottle for the birthday party. Let us move to the next question. Question number 5. Your teacher has a large fish tank in her office. So, does her fish tank hold 100 liter or 100 milliliter? Obviously not 100 milliliter. Very small amount of water cannot hold a large fish tanks. Okay, so a large fish tank can hold 100 liters of water. Which would you rather buy? A 2 liter bottle of fruit juice that cost $2.50. So 2 liter equal to $2.50. 2 liter mean 2000 milliliters. And the second part, 6 multiply 300 carton of fruit juice would, which cost 50 cents each. Which one is better? Okay, the first one, 2 liter, it's mean 2000. The cost for 2000 milliliter equal to $2.50. And if you are talking about the second, 6 multiply 3, 1800 milliliter, the cost equal to 50 each. 50 mean 50 multiplied by 6, $3. So what do you think? Which option is better? The first one, obviously. Which option is the best for us? This one, 2 liter bottle. It is the best option. Okay, next question number 7. Max buys 6 donuts and a 300 milliliter carton of juice for $3.50. So 6 plus 1, 7. It's mean for each item cost 50 cents. Okay, Susie buy 4 donuts and 2 300 milliliter carton for $3. So 4 here and 2 here. 6 is 6 for $3 when 300. So 300 divided by 6, 50 cents. It's mean we can say for each one item, each one piece, it's equal to 50 cents. One piece, any one piece, it's equal to 50 cents. Now you can see here, if there is 6 and 1 carton, 7, 350 cents. So 350, it's equal to 50 cents. If 1 equal to 50, so 7 item, 350. 6 item, $3. When buy 8 and 5 cotton. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 8 cotton, it's $4. Why? Because one donut equal to 50. So 8 donut equal to 4 plus 5 cotton. So 1 cotton equal to 50 and 5 cotton equal to 2.5. So 4 plus 2, 6.50. How much is 1 donut and how much is 1 carton of drink? Obviously, the donut price and the 1 carton of drink, its price 50 cents. So we can write here 50 cents for each. 50 cents for each. For carton of drink, or you can say for donut, for each it's 50 cents, not dollar, 50 cents. The next question. Question number 7. At the end of the day, the cafe was selling food and drink cheaply. Max buys 6 donuts and 300 ml carton of juice for $2.50. Susie buy 4 donuts and this is the same like this one. Both questions same answer. So if we are talking about here, Max buy 6 donuts, $2.50. Susie buy $2.75. Ben buy 8 donuts and 5 carton of juice, $4. Okay, the price for each item, the cost 50 cents. Okay, on its own. So at the end of the day, the cafe was selling food and drinks cheaply. So how might they save? Who got the best value? So Max buys 6 donuts. The price for 6 donuts, it's if you are multiplying with 50. So 5 multiplied 3. 5 multiplied by, why 5 multiplied by 6? 5, I'm talking about 50. So 50 multiplied by 6 equal to 300. And 1 carton, so 350. So you can say Max, he saved $1. He saved $1. $1. He saved $1. We can write it $1. I'm repeating, 6 donut and 1 carton. 7. The price for 7 item, it's $3.50 as the previous part. But he saved $1. He paid $2.50 and saved $1. And Susie buy 4 donuts plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 items per item $50, 50 cents. So 6 multiply 50, 300. But she paid $2.75. It means she saved some cent. Out of $303 minus $2.75. It means she saved 25 cents. Okay, Ben buy 8 donut and 5 carton. 8 plus 5. 13 for $4. What's the price for 13? If I buy $4 plus $6.50 and he paid $4, it means he saved $2.50, a lot of money. $2.50 he saved. So who got the best value? Obviously Ben got the best value. Right here, Ben got best value of money, you can say. Best value of money, for money. Let us move to the next questions. Handling data. Venn diagram. What's the Venn diagram? A way of sorting things according to their different features. In Venn diagram, we are according to their feature, we are putting in the same place. Question number 1, part A. The label are missing for the Venn diagram. What would write on the new label? Explain why. You can see here this 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and here 5, 10, 20, 25, 30. So this if you're talking about this one, so this is the multiple of 3, the table, the multiple, or you can say 3 times table. So we can write it, the heading, this is the multiple of 3. So this is one, you can write the multiple of 3. And if you're talking about on the right side, this is the multiple of 5. You can write it on the right side. This is the multiple of 5. So you can make the heading by yourself. So this is the proper. You can also write this. And what about the center? This is the enter. These are the intersection, multiple of 10, 5. Copy the Venn diagram. Copying the Venn diagram and add in the number 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 45. Explain why some of the numbers are outside the circle. Obviously, these numbers we cannot put it here. Not coming in that multiple of 3, multiple of 5. Only 18 you can say come in the multiple of 3, we can put it 18 inside. Other 13, 14, 16, 17 not coming in both multiple tables. Question number 2. These children are playing. I want to raise the screen. Again, they are using large hoops to sort themselves into as many different groups as they can. What label would you put on this diagram? This is according to you. You can put any label like according to their same features, like their eye color, hair color, and their jacket, their dress. So according to their features, they can make a diagram. Question number B, and draw, no need, second part. Let us move to the next. Also draw, no need. Tallying, the next topic about tallying. Throw a dice 10 times and record the number you throw. Make a tally chart to record how many times each number on a dice is thrown. Which number was thrown the most? This is just like a game. We are using dice. Let us start the question. Question number 1. Use the tally chart to answer the questions in the quiz. The graph shows the number of books collected by each student. How many books does John have? Where is John in this chart? Here, John. So we can need to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one in this line. So this you can say symbol or picture like this. Let's represent 5. So we don't need to calculate 5 again. So we can just say 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. So 17 books. How many books does John have? 17 books. How many books does Phillips have? How many books does Phillips have? Phillips, where is the Phillips? Here. So only 3 books. He has only 3 books. So you can write here 3 books. How many books do Kev and Vicky have all together? Vicky here and Kev here. We can add all of these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So they have all together 33 books. 33 books. Okay, after this, what is the total number of books? So we can calculate it. First we need to write outside separately. John, he has 17 Okay. Clive, he has 4. Vicky 13. Cave 20 and Bills 3. Now we can calculate it. 17 plus 4 plus 13 plus 20 plus 3, it's coming, we are making total, it's coming 57. So total 57 book in total. Next question, let us move to the next page. Make a tally chart to show the information below. What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? So let us make a chart. If there is no place, you can also make on the notebook. So I need to write their names. What are the 4 hobbies? Painting, right here, painting. Number 2, dancing. 3, reading. Number 4, football. After this, we need to draw a line in the center. You can also give here the names and hobbies and tally. Okay, let us do it. How many people like dancing? Hobbies 1. Painting. Only 1, 2. So we make here 2 lines. Line should be straight little bit. So after this, dancing 1 and only 1 dancing, so we are making here 1 line. This football 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us move 4. Not reading football 1, 2, 3, 4, and then reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to make 5 lines for reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for painting, how many children like painting? 2. Dancing 1, reading 5, and football 4. So this is a tally chart. Use the bar graph to make a tally chart. Number of children. This is a bar graph. Same like this, we need to make a table, and same like this. And then after this, we need to draw it. I am not writing this name. The name need to copy from here. I'm doing the tally chart. Dog. How many dogs? Use a bar to make a tally. Number of children. How many children like the pet dog? It's 10. No, less than 10. 9. So we can draw the lines. Nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many cats? Children like pet cat. So cat. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And what about fish? Fish, 6. So we make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And rabbit, 1, 2, 3. And turtle, only one. So this is a tally chart. Let us move to the next question. After tally chart, the next topic, pictogram. In pictogram, a graph that uses picture. In pictogram of actually we are not using number, we are using different symbol, different picture, but should have a key. So a pictogram, a graph that use pictures to represent quantities. So that the pictogram show how many families visited the zoo on different day on a week. We have different here, different families on Monday, how many, on Tuesday, how many, on Wednesday. And just make smaller, so solve the questions. Okay, so one complete man, complete man equal to 2 and half man equal to 1. So first solve this. Monday, how many families visited to the zoo? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we can write here 10. Why we are writing like this? We can easily solve the questions. And how many people or families visited to the zoo on Tuesday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here 6. On Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This half, so we write here 13. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on Friday, 3 only. And Saturday 0, Sunday 0, Saturday 13, 14, 15. Because if here 13, so it's half. Here 14 plus 1, 15. Now we solve our pictogram. Now we know the number for each day. On what day were there no family? On Sunday. On Sunday, why? Because, so we can write here Sunday. Reason no need to write. Reason just I explain why do you think this was? Because you can say the zoo closed. Okay, the zoo, it's closed on Sunday. Okay, the zoo closed on Sunday. This is the reason. Which day was the most popular for visiting the zoo? Which day most popular? On Wednesday or Saturday? Saturday. Why? Because it is a public holiday. Public holiday, mostly people visited to the zoo. That was the reason. What was the difference between the number of families on Friday and Saturday? Friday there are only 3 families, and Saturday 15. So 15 minus 3, it's equal 12. 12 families. What was the difference between the number of families on Friday and Saturday? 12. Can you give some reason why there was such a difference in the number of families on those 2 days? On Friday it is a working day, not a public holiday. So the children are in the school, and the parents or people, they are on their jobs. So on Friday only 3 family, but on Saturday it is a public holiday. So there's the reason number of people are different on these 2 days. What is the total number of visitors over the week? You need to add it. 10 plus 6, 16, plus 10, 26, 29, 39, 42, plus 15, 52, 57. If we are add all these, so 57 families. What was the total number of visitors over the weeks? 57. Families. We'll bring down this question for this. Twice the number of family visitors of the following week. Make double. 15 plus 15, 114. 57 plus 57, sorry, families, it's 114 families. Let us move to the next question. Draw a pictogram to show that number of visitors. We need to draw. Question number 2. The pictogram show the amount of sunshine over 3 days. How many hours of sunshine were there in total over 3 days? So let us 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How I know the sun equal to 1? Here it's written sunshine, 1 hour sunshine. So 4 plus 5, 6, 7. It's 7. And on Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. How many hours of sunshine were there over Monday and Tuesday? First of all, question 2 part A1. How many hours of sunshine were there is in total over the 3 days. So total over 3 days, 10, 7, 21. 21. You can also write sunshine. Or you can also write 21 hours, both correct. After this, how many hours of sunshine were there over Monday and Tuesday? Monday 4, Tuesday 7. So only 7 minus 4 equal 7 plus 4. We are talking about both. So 7 plus 4 equal 11 hours. Monday and Tuesday. How many more hours of sunshine were there on Wednesday than on Monday? Wednesday minus Monday, 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So we can write here 6 hours. 6 hours. The next question about the pictogram. The pictogram shows the same information but the key missing. Write the key. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to find the key. We cannot calculate without the key. This pictogram shows the same information but the key missing. So we can write here key sunshine. You can say, you can make the picture equal to 1. No, we cannot say 1 because it's half. So we need to make like this so it's easy for him. So we can write here 1. One hour and 1 sunshine. Oh, no need to make the picture. Sunshine is equal to sunshine represent or is equal to 2 hours. 2 hours sunshine. After this, I want to go to the next part if there are more questions, but no. Next question number 3. The mini beast house at the zoo wanted to find out about favorite mini beast. The visitor completed a survey. This is what they found. Okay, there are 3 mini beasts. 3 beasts. right? Yes, it's better. About butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can write it here, 9. And what about ladybug? Easy, 4, then 1. Snail, and then after this spider, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7 and 1, only 2. Now let's start the question. Make it plus, it's easy for us. 3 plus 9, 12, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 26. In total, there are 26. Which was the favorite mini beast? How many people like it? Which was the favorite mini beast? How many people like it? 9. 9 people like it, and it's butterfly. So you can write here butterflies, and 9 people like it. Which was the least popular? No anyone like this one. So you can write here it's snail. So snail not more popular. Mostly people don't like the snails. If you had room for only 4 in your tank, which 2 mini beasts would you not have? Explain why. Obviously, we are not choosing the butterfly or the insect, the mini beast, which one providing this help us. So we will help you. If you had room for only new tanks, which 2 mini beast would you not have? Explained why. Obviously, so when you write right here, snail and worm, because people don't like snails and worm. Why? Because they were the least popular. How many people answered the survey? 26 people. So we write here people. 26 people, they like the. Let us move to the next part. Just I need to erase. Question number 4. A cafe asked some customer about their favorite ice cream flavor. This is what they found. 12 people like vanilla ice cream, 3 more than like chocolate ice cream, 6 people like strawberry ice cream, 11 people like lemon, and the favorite ice cream is meant it has the same number as strawberry and lemon together. Make a bar chart to show this information. So let us make a bar chart. In bar chart, we are just drawing the bars. So it's so easy. First, horizontal and vertical lines. And then with the distance, we are writing the numbers. The distance should be same. So you are using the ruler if you're drawing a bar chart. Maybe the distance not equal. Okay, And how many the biggest number we have? 11, 6. It's nearest to 15, 16, 17. Yes, so we are writing here 2. Okay, let us write the numbers. Okay, this we are representing each line equal to 3, then 6, then 9. You can also use 2 as you have space. Then 12, then 15, then 18. Okay, here we need to write the name for flavors. We people like vanilla. Then the second chocolate. Then the third strawberry. Then the fourth lemon. The 5 mint. We don't write mint. Okay, now we need to make the bar chart. How many people? 12 people like vanilla. So we are making a bar chart from here. 12. Where is 12? Yeah, till here. And 3 more than 12. 12 plus 3. So first we make 12 plus 3, 15. And 6 people like strawberry. Okay, what about 11 people like lemon? And the favorite ice cream is meant it has in the same number as strawberry and lemon. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6, 17 people like. Until here, yes. So this is, you can make a clean bar chart. It is not the height, you can say the distance between the bars, I'm saying, but you need to do use a ruler. Okay, let us solve the question. Make a bar chart. Done it. Question 4 part B. I want to buy 2 ice cream. I want the most popular ice cream flavor is mint, so we can write mint. My friend liked the least popular, so least popular strawberry, so you can write here mint and strawberry. Mint most popular and strawberry least popular. Mint and strawberry. Question number 5. Draw 2 bar charts showing the same information. We need to do the same thing. Okay boys, after this page number 88, the new topic number, we will start in the next video. Goodbye everyone.